playing. Stop playing. Prince, you don't get so scared. Thumbnail. It's a mess in here. Anything is possible as long as you put your mind to it, period, boo. Anyways. Hey Boujee Barbiee, this is Barbie. I'm back with another video. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and join the Boujee crew. That's the Boujee right now, way. Period. Friends, where you go? Hi. Ooh, look at my knee. Anyways, y'all, I'm just here with a quick video, real quick. I just want to do an unboxing because I just received a whole bunch of Amazon stuff that I didn't think I was going to receive today. So I'm going to see what's all up in these boxes. And I guess y'all can unbox with me or whatever, just really quick. But yeah, this ain't gonna be a long video at all. Just a quick unboxing video, inventory, or whatever. And yeah, so let's get to it. I'm sitting on the floor. So I'm trying to see where I can put my phone so where y'all can like see me unboxing. Maybe I can put it like on top of the box. Let's see. Yeah, we can do it like that. So I'm about to just unbox these really quick. By the way, my hair is from Beauty Forever Hair. This is their ombre wig. I think this is a 22 inch, but y'all, it does not look 22 inch at all. This is like 28, 26. I'm not gonna even cap. So, let's see what's in this one. Y'all, I really didn't think this stuff was gonna come today because Amazon said it was gonna come next week, you know, because of the virus and stuff. So it's like pushing everything back. So, let's see. So these are some syringes. I ordered more than this. I don't know why they put it in one box. These are all the boxes. Hold on. These are all the boxes right here. These are the boxes. Boom. Boom. Thumbnail. Anyway, I got me some chicken bites in the oven. I'm starving. My mom, she's gonna come over today again, so we can get out about 600 tubes tomorrow. We got some out today. Waiting for the postman to pick them up. Actually, I'm in the box. Here's the oil. I ordered like 4 oils, so I think. Ooh. I'm gonna break it down. I've been trying to drop videos for y'all like very, very frequently. I've been trying to drop videos all the time for y'all because I know that y'all love seeing the Barbie, you know what I'm saying? Being part of the Boujee crew, y'all. Stop breaking nails. I'm gonna be so mad. So it comes with the pump, but we don't ever use the pump. You know, we just pour it joint like, you know. So that's going in the trash. And it's so crazy because we've been having to go to Walmart to get those little bitty oils that I used to use because we ran out. But y'all know we make it work. Like whatever we gotta do, we gotta do it. You know what I'm saying? So here's one oil. And I think this is my laptop case. I finally bought me a laptop case for my MacBook. I'm gonna get a desktop MacBook and a MacBook Pro laptop. So I'm gonna give my mom my my MacBook Air. So I ordered me a case. I'm like, is this too big? Nah, because this should be for MacBook Air. I said MacBook Air. Yeah, MacBook Air 13. I'm about to say, stop playing. Y'all want to see it? Let me show y'all this quick. I know somebody gonna be like, Barbie, how you didn't show us? Hold on. Frank, you don't get so scared of this phone. This is for a keypad. pink rose gold, whatever. You know, just for protection. Those computers are not cheap, so you want to make sure you're protecting your stuff. And then this is pretty cool. I ordered a ring light, a new big ring light. It's not gonna be here till next week, so I'm excited for that. Okay, let's open this big one right here. This is probably all my squeeze tubes. It is. Okay, why not? This is a quick little video of me unboxing and stuff. Why not, you know? I get all my squeeze tubes from Amazon for the low, okay? I got a good squeeze tube in there. So I ordered 8 bags and 80 comes in a bag. No, I ordered 10 bags and 80 comes in one bag. So 800 squeeze tubes. This is 800 squeeze tubes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, yeah, so this is 10 bags of 80. So that's 800 tubes. I don't know what he's doing, y'all. He's just annoying. Y'all. So that's 80, 800. Now, I'm gonna open this one. On my favorite dress, you hate it, but I look naked. That's your opinion. I'm feeling my best. Syringes. I think I ordered 5 syringe packs. I think like 13 syringes come in 1 pack. So I ordered 5 packs. And we always use these for like starter kits and stuff like that. And then another oil. Y'all, we're gonna get oil like crazy. Because y'all know we only use 1 oil for our lip gloss. We only use 1 oil. A lot of people use more than 1, which is fine, which is cool, you know what I'm saying? Like, everybody got their own way of how they make their lip gloss. And we do too, so. And we just don't do the most. We just do 1 oil, and we've always done 1 oil ever since we started. Of course, we put our scent oil and stuff like that in, but other than that, we just use 1 oil. It's so crazy because we was just gonna go to the store to try to go find more oil because Walmart is always out. So I was like, man, we can't find oil. We can't do no orders today. That's gonna set us back like a lot. So I'm like, it's upsetting me and my homegirls because we can't make lip gloss. It's upsetting me and my home Boujee because we can't make lip gloss, you know? And I think the last 2 are in here. Y'all should have seen my front door. I was like, oh my God. So my mom and my brother are gonna come over today to make lip gloss like I said, and I'm gonna order pizza later. Every time like they come over and help, I try to order like food, you know? Yeah, so I got 2 more oils in here. Y'all, we so good on inventory. We got like over 8,000 tubes. Well, not anymore, but we have thousands of tubes. We have lots of squeeze tubes. We have lots of base. Y'all sitting on the bucket of base right now. I'll show y'all, but we got like, we have another one coming, and we ordered 2. So we just ran out of, we almost have to be out of our other one. But we good on inventory. Like, I'm so glad that we stocked up before this virus stuff happened, because we would have been out of there. We would have had to shut down our site, and that's not good. You know, because then I can't sell y'all stuff, and y'all can't run y'all business, the people that shop with me, you know? So it would have been bad for all of us. But I got y'all. I got y'all at the end of the day. So, if y'all want to, I can go pack, like, cook this stuff up real quick while y'all on camera. Quick little video. I didn't even know I was gonna do this. I was on the phone with my mom and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do an unpacking video real quick. Even though it's not really nothing, it's something. If that makes sense. Bro, we stocked up. We stocked up. It's so hot in here. I literally got a 2-bedroom for nothing, y'all. I don't have nowhere to put nothing. Like, all these oils, they're just gonna be out on the floor because I don't have nowhere to put them. My closet is full. My new business got the lunch. The bag's right there. I don't have nowhere to put them. Like, it's just warehouse coming soon. I'm gonna try to like take y'all with me during the process of like the warehouse and look up the warehouse and stuff like that. So stay tuned. Y'all like, why she got all this oil? Y'all don't understand. When you're a business owner, you have to be stocked. Because you never know what's going to happen. You never know what's going to happen. So, boom. Stop playing. Stop playing. So, that's really it. That's all I got from Amazon. I have, like, some more stuff coming, but it's not going to come to next week. So, I got 4 oils. You know, thumbnail with these oils. So, I got 4 oils. And this is a gallon, 128 fluid ounces. So we're gonna be good on oil for a while. And I got 800 squeeze tubes and some syringes because we ran out. Yeah. So I'm about to show y'all like, hold on, turn it around. So a bucket of base was in that one. A bucket of base is in that one. That's the one we're currently using. And then we have one right here that's not even open yet, right here. And then we got another one on the way currently. So we're doing good with inventory. And then y'all know we got thousands of tubes that we just packed up. Let me show y'all. We got our purses that just came in for our second business. And here goes some buckets of base right here too. It's a mess in here. Anything is possible as long as you put your mind to it, period. Anyway, so these are wholesale orders that we about to get out today. I mean, during this week, I mean. And then here are like tubes that we've like kind of sorted out. So we have like tubes and bags. We bagged them up in bags of 50s and 100s. So gold tubes, caps, and then here are the stoppers. And then in here we have the gold tube caps bagged up in bags of 50 and 100. And then right here we have our silver tubes. Oh, actually no, more tubes bagged up. And then here we have our silver tubes in bags. And then we have more over here. So it's a lot. It's a mess in here, y'all. I was gonna, oh, it's hot. I was gonna have y'all, hold on, let me check on my food. I don't play about my food. I'm just making like some chicken and french fries. Something quick, because I'm gonna order pizza later. So yeah, look at my living room. It's just, it's a mess. It's a hot mess. I got stuff everywhere. So I'm about to put all this up. And I'm gonna just end the video right here because it's really nothing to see, y'all. It's really not. Like, it's really nothing to see. Because I'm just about to put these oils in the room. Ooh. Put these oils up. I want to put them on the table because they're gonna be sticky. I'm just gonna put them right here. So I put them on the floor. Ooh. So I just put them right here on the floor. I don't really have nowhere to put them. And then Prince, go sit down. Please go sit down. You lucky I'm recording because I would have cussed you out. Because you really been up my nerves. Let me see. Where can I put y'all at real quick? I'm going to leave it like this. Just leave it like that. See, that's it. Nothing to see here, folks. And this is my ink that I ordered as well. So that's really it, you guys. Nothing special here. See, my ring light, it broke. So that's why I ordered a new one. And I'll take those down later because I don't want the trash man to have to do it. You know, I have a heart, so I don't want him doing all that. So I'll take it down when my brother gets here. And that's it. That's gonna be the end of this video, y'all. Just a quick little unboxing video. Nothing special, you know what I'm saying? But I love y'all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, babes.